How to clean a bear.
Part 1.
No, part 2.
You're not really
Part 2, because we already had the catch, and this is the clean.
This is not really how to clean a bear.
Well, take the hide off a bear. How to take a hide off a bear properly. To use your knife, manure, and all that. And this is a warning, and don't report me.
YouTube, don't demonetize.
Yeah. You will make me cry. I don't want to cry.
Totally didn't just chop it.
So this is part 2. This is part 2 of the catch, clean, and cook of my mother's first bear.
catch, clean, and cook. You're not cooking it yet.
No, we're not cooking it yet. We're cleaning it. We're on the cleaning part.
It's gotta be a catch, clean, and cook.
Yeah, I've already got the catch.
Catched it,
This is the
you're
clean,
cleaning it.
and then there's gonna be a cook. A cook.
Alright, yeah, you don't catch a bear, you know.
Now you gotta record it being cooked.
Yeah, exactly.
You spot one, and then you shoot it. I guess maybe you don't have to shoot it, but...
This won't take 40 minutes, will it? About 30?
33, 40.
To take the hide off.
Nah, I think it'll take like...
Who's got doing them?
Oh, probably those drunk guys over there.
Where are they at?
You know Mackey's old house?
Oh, at Maggie's, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Are you guys
Because it
keeping?
sounded like it was coming from like...
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
his old house.
Yeah,
Oh,
that,
the old
that
house?
guy
Yeah.
cheated on his wife. That's why they don't live there anymore.
Who did? Who what?
The guy that lives there.
The wife is gone?
Yeah.
Cheated
Hold
on
on,
her.
hold on. Were you talking the ones that had the chickens?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's gone, the guy or the girl?
The girl.
The girl and the kids.
Really?
What a jerk.
Well, the kids come sometimes.
What a jerk. I wouldn't even let my kids come over to his house. God.
Well, they have a
Yeah, I
trampoline,
guess-
so
Are
the
you,
kids
are you
walk.
putting this all in your video?
I'm editing this out
That has absolutely nothing to do.
with cleaning a
Yeah, we
bear.
should, like, shut up maybe and like just keep
Yeah, really.
Oh, I don't think so.
Shut up,
Might as well
Jack.
delete the video.
Your
then.
dad, are you putting this in your video?
Maybe you should just like, you know, just do
Crank
like...
the tunes in the background.
Well, that's what I'm gonna do.
do like
Copyright.
look up on YouTube non-copyright music.
Who cares?
Music that you can put from YouTube.
Have I already said the warning? Because it's kind of too far past.
You're gonna automatically ban it.
I'm gonna get demonetized.
And you're gonna have no more channels for the rest of your life.
Put the camera in the rib cage.
Oh.
That'd be a first shot.
What?
Do you really want to lose your channel?
I don't care.
Okay, well, I don't know.
I've never been demonetized yet.
What do you mean?
That was a joke.
You have two.
That was a joke.
Yeah, okay.
Right, I'm pretty sure you did.
Are
You
you
did.
not, man?
Because you know,
I'll
I know
just
you
search up your
showed me
video.
2 of them. I know, because you remember showing me on the
that
couch.
rabbit one
No,
taken
the
down.
rabbit one.
Are you
say
keeping
this,
the
I-
The rabbit one's still on
Like,
there, but people hated it. I had so many people dislike that.
What
I don't get why people
I
do
think-
that.
Covers on it.
Sometimes I keep it, but I'm not this one.
I don't get why people, if they don't like that
Did you get
stuff,
money
then why
for
do
it?
they click on the video?
No, you're not allowed to sell them. Unless you
Like
have-
hide. Like
Yeah, unless you're a fur dealer.
Oh yeah.
You need a license for that. I don't bother with that.
Just throw it out.
Sometimes, yeah. Some might make a rug or something, but a lot of times we just get rid of it. We're in it more for the meat than the actual hide itself.
Yeah.
Kyle, keep that from twisting back and forth like you can.
Like this? Yes, I know this is more of the I didn't edit when that happened. Oh wait, power director. So, yeah. But
Yo, I want to see that.
so
Download that.
this is more of a skin than a clean, but it's still the same thing, isn't it?
You're still cleaning it.
Yeah, really. It's like what deer meat for dinner does.
Oh yeah, right there. I'm getting that, so I can edit.
Costs money.
What costs money?
Doesn't?
No, to buy. You have to get a subscription unless you do ads. You have to do a whole whack of ads and then you can edit.
So you spending money on his channel. And then
You
he
spent
doesn't
money
have his
for
channel
it?
No,
Is there staples in this game?
no. I don't think.
How the heck did you get
Yes, there is. Don't do that.
Yes, there is.
Oh, you're wasting the station.
That's right. Don't waste my space.
I love the smell of bear. Yeah,
Smell.
it smells really good
Bear
actually.
insides. Blood just doesn't smell like anything to me.
It smells quite good to me. But that's probably because I've been around it so much.
Oh, you're so weird.
How? I'm an outdoorsman. Don't call me weird. Dim, dee, dee, dim, 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 dee, 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 dim, dim, dee, dee, dim, 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 dee, 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 dim.
What the heck does that thing work?
I'll say this: they're definitely harder to clean than a deer.
Yeah, much thicker hide.
Thicker hide.
Lot thicker
A
hide.
lot more hair to keep out of the way and deal with and stuff.
Yeah.
Right there.
Demonetized.
Band right there.
Right there.
Yeah,
That's what Jack
You
said.
just opened the hide up.
I literally opened the hide right up and
Well, but I think it's almost like you're trying to get things.
No. no, I'm not. I've only ever been.
Well, you're gonna
People-
get, but you know what? Is this gonna be your first though?
Yeah.
You really want that?
The rabbit one? No, that was a joke. That was a joke. I joked with you. I never got banned once. The rabbit one got
You never
reported
get
quite a
banned
bit.
until your third time. You just get demonetized and they take your video down and give you your first strike.
So
has it
I've
already
never
happened
been.
yet?
That's never happened. What I meant to say was my rabbit video got reported about 3 times, which is
Only 3 people watched
Exactly.
the video.
no more than that. But about 3 people reported it because of the group. Somebody who would go click on a video I said warning on and do not watch if you are not a fan of blood and guts. It's like
Like, who's actually a big fan of blood and guts? Oh, I like blood and guts. Let me click on
Kid
that
in my
one.
class,
Who?
Colin.
Oh, that kid that I swung
Mess.
around like a rag doll.
What?
Out in the fire. Yeah, I know one. I was playing around.
No, it's Greg's. It's Greg's nephew.
No, what? The one that has all his colored hair?
no,
Oh,
that's a
not
different one.
him.
No.
Who are you
You know.
So what, you were playing
Caleb's
around?
brother. Caleb,
You bear?
no. Caleb lives on the Grove.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry,
Are
United
you trying to
States Grove.
freaking kill yourself?
No,
Get out, guys!
that's what I'm trying to
I
say.
mean, we've already said that there's a freaking guy that cheated down the road, so like, what is worse than that? Hey, at least there's freaking
Yeah.
entertaining commentary in the background.
Yeah, I guess so.
People
I mean,
after this
if you
video
guys-
are gonna look up, who's the guy that cheated?
Hey, if I get likes because of this, if you like what, if you enjoy what you're seeing, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe because you can get tons more of this.
More band.
Tons more, yeah.
Tons more of gruesome killing.
No, okay,
It's
don't.
already dead.
Yeah, it ain't feeling anything.
Yeah, it's not feeling anything. It's
No,
and it's not
We
gruesome killing.
we
It's
just
literally
bear
humane. Like
alive.
literally, that bear felt nothing. It got shot through the heart, and it dropped immediately. It was
You know where the bullet is?
no, the bullet went straight through it.
Oh.
That's why it's dead.
How
It's
big's the bullet? That hole is humongous.
Like that.
well, it mushrooms though. It mushrooms, so it blows up a whole bunch of cavities and all that.
It's small when it hits them, and then it's big on this side.
Yeah, literally,
Oh.
it comes out. It's just
I gotta go plug that off.
Bullets when like
Cut
bullets
the
when
feet
like that
off!
big.
Cut the feet off!
no. He's not. He doesn't cut the feet off.
Don't cut the
He's
feet off
hanging
'cause
if
it's
I-
hanging right
The
yeah.
bullets
Oh,
are
yeah.
like this big.
My mom is still over there talking trash.
That's no surprise. They like to talk.
Yeah.
Face over there?
Has someone's face. My mom goes in Superstore. She says it'll be 5 minutes. Takes 5 hours.
Why are you in
Are
there?
you
That's-
sure she's not related to Trish?
I
Are you sure she's not related to Trish?
God, I'm pretty sure she is. She talked for like Trish called one other day, and my mom was on the phone for 3 hours.
It does not surprise me.
Yeah, me neither.
How could you talk to someone for 3 hours?
I couldn't.
Ask my mom.
I could talk my favorite thing in the world and I still wouldn't talk to them.
The only
3 hours.
person I can
could
talk to for 3
about
hours
10
straight
minutes
is
about
myself.
hockey.
Yeah.
Myself.
Myself.
You could do better things than
It's
talk.
pretty straightforward from here, so you just take the whole hide off. You just keep on doing the same thing for the next,
37 hours.
no, not 37 hours, like the next 20 minutes.
Next 10, 15 minutes. The hard part is trying to get all around the head and then legs and
I'll be shoving it in this.
Yeah.
Not on this, you know. so.
Fortnite shout out on it. Okay.
On a bear.
Okay. But it's pretty straightforward now. You just keep on cutting the skin. Don't go too close to the meat.
Kyle just
But,
ruined the video.
um,
Saying Fortnite in the hunting video.
I'm surprised that wasn't Jack that did the shout out though.
Just keep cutting the skin off.
But it's pretty straightforward from here. You just have to cut out that butthole.
What?
Well, it's
I told him- I said
well,
you
no,
were-
wait, no, just cut
Show
out the skin.
Butthole. Show
No.
the butthole.
It's cut out from the skin. Cut. It's the butthole's gone. Don't. So just cut it out when you first get the bear, and then
Show
no,
the
there's
butthole.
not. It's not there. It's completely gone.
How?
So the skin is just straightforward. So I'm gonna end it now.
no. Show the butthole.
No, stop.
Keep the video going. You need to get a solid 20-minute video so that you get monetized. You
Monetize.
can
No.
get ads.
But it's pretty.
No,
It's-
it's 10 minutes and then you get ads.
It's pretty straightforward from here, guys. So you just
Yeah, but at
You
least it's
just-
not like, clickbait. Like
it's all.
freaking
It's
video.
literally you just cut that and it's gonna fall right off.
Actually
So
telling them
Yeah,
see ya,
bye.
boys. Like, share, and subscribe.